Good morning, guys. Very late for work today. I was supposed to leave at 7 o'clock, and now it's 7:45. Nice. I just hope I don't get any traffic, man. Wow.
वाह क्या मुस्कुराहट है।
Okay. Let's get going.
6.5 hours later.
अबे people, first of all, you shouldn't be littering on the road. At least if you're going to throw something out of your vehicle, look behind if someone's riding or not. Some illiterate people. I guess some lady was sitting beside him. I guess it was his wife. She was saying जाने दो. Like her reaction also like कि हाँ मैं भी थक गई हूँ इससे, तुम भी जाने दो.
बोलने दे तकलीफ हुआ है बेचारे को. बोल
अच्छा खासा मूड चल रहा था. I was just इतना खाली रास्ता था. I have never got this empty road in a very long time. मस्त मैं क्रूज कर रहा हूँ 60-70 पे, तुम कचरा फेंकते हो. इट्स लाइक हैव सम बेसिक डिसेंसी, राइट? If you don't want to like follow the rules that of littering, like you don't have to litter in the public places, उसके लिए डस्टबिन बना के रखा है गवर्नमेंट ने, उसमें डालो कचरा. अगर तुमको वो फॉलो नहीं कर रहा, एटलीस्ट लुक बिहाइंड हु इज कमिंग और नॉट. पैर पे लगा मेरे, एंड ही वाज नॉट इवन बॉदर्ड टू से सॉरी या फिर ऐसा कुछ नहीं. तू रास्ते पे क्यों चला रहा है, तेरी गलती है. Zero civic sense. Zero. What can we do with such people? Anyways. BMW 3 Series, man, it looks so sleek. Someday.
The next day.
E-bikes. And I never understood the concept of e-bike. Like, I get it that e-scooty is more better because it has boot space, but why are you even buying e-bikes? Like, can anyone please explain or like tell me what's the benefits of having e-bike over e-scooty? Is there any range change or anything? Because if there is a range change, then I can understand that like you're getting more range than scooty because it has more battery handling capacity. And many prefer e-scooty because there's some boot space. But if there's no difference and you're still buying an e-bike, then I don't think that makes any sense. Yeah, let me know. They do look stylish though, the e-bikes, but there's no joy of this clutch. And who better can enjoy the joy of clutch in Mumbai traffic than the one who have petrol bikes? Pros and cons. And also it has a man, he was just about to crash. Oh my god. He was just about to crash the truck, man. He applied his emergency brakes. Should I tell him that thoda aaram se chala bro? If your brakes are not working, please check it once. But he seems to be in very hurry right now, and I don't want to overspeed because, well, I don't want to brake check myself. But if he slows down, maybe I will tell him. See, this is what I'm talking about. People just converge into lanes and then braking मुश्किल हो जाता है, and that's wow. What is this? That मिनी जीप का भी मिनी वर्जन है क्या? Yep. Nice. Maybe I should tell him. Okay,
Bye, have a great time.
He took off with his what's that bike called in Tron? same noises coming from his bike. Seems futuristic. Seems something out of a movie. Cool bike though. But yeah, still, if anyone can make me understand the utility of the bike, it would be great. Am I recording? Yeah, it's recording. Thank God. Thank God. See, the e-bike just went, man. I had the chance of doing something good. Did I miss it? No. Did he miss it? Yep, he did. Because if his brake didn't work, every gear that he had worn, his LS2 helmet, and I think he had a riding jacket, but I don't know if it had armors or not. Everything would have come to testing if it works or not. Don't do this, guys. Don't do this. जान से प्यारी और कुछ नहीं.